Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know that transferring assets like Dogecoin can feel a bit intimidating, especially with wallets like Metamask and Coinbase. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step in this 2025 update. By the end of this video, you'll be sending Dogecoin like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Metamask and Coinbase Wallet apps or extensions installed and set up on your device. If you haven't added Dogecoin to your Metamask wallet yet, head over to the Asset tab and search for Doge. It's now fully supported on the networks we use, so adding it is straightforward. Just click Add Token and confirm. Next, open your Coinbase wallet and navigate to your Dogecoin address. You can find this by going to the Receive section and selecting Doge. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check to avoid any mistakes. Remember, in 2025, with enhanced security features, always verify the network. Dogecoin typically uses the Dogecoin blockchain, but ensure it's compatible with Metamask's setup. Now, switch back to Metamask. Select your Dogecoin account, click on Send, and paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but be mindful of network fees. They've become more predictable in 2025, so check the estimated gas or transaction cost before proceeding. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction on your device. After that, keep an eye on the transaction status. You can use a blockchain explorer like dogechain.info to track it. It should only take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, hop back to your Coinbase wallet, and voila, your Dogecoin should be there. Finally, a quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.